In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to a conversation in Smartsheet. Adding files directly into a conversation is a great way to keep all your context, feedback, and supporting documents in one place, right alongside your work. Instead of hunting through emails or chats, you and your team can review everything together inside Smartsheet. First, make sure you're on the sheet where you want to add your file. You should be in the main grid or another view of that sheet. At the top right area of the screen, look for the comment icon and the bell icon. These are usually where Smartsheet groups items related to notifications and conversations. Next, find the small icon that appears right beside the comment icon and the bell icon. This is the control that will let you work with proofs and file-based conversations. Go ahead and click on that icon. As soon as you do, Smartsheet will open a new panel or window on your screen. This usually appears on the right-hand side, but depending on your layout, it may pop up as a separate area. In this new window, you'll see options related to managing content and feedback. What we want to do here is start a proof. A proof in Smartsheet is essentially a review space for files like images, PDFs, and other documents, where you and your collaborators can comment and track changes. Look for the button or link labeled Create Proof. Click on Create Proof to start the process. When you select this, Smartsheet will prompt you to upload a file from your computer or from a connected storage service, depending on what you have set up. Choose the file that you want to associate with your conversation. This could be a design mockup, a document that needs approval, a screenshot, or any file your team needs to review. After selecting your file, Smartsheet will attach it to the proof and prepare it so conversations and comments can be added directly on or about that file. From there, you can invite collaborators, add comments, and keep all feedback tied to that specific file within the conversation. And that's all you need to do. Click the icon beside the comment and bell icons, let the new window open, and then click Create Proof to upload your file and link it right into your Smartsheet conversation.